Happy comeback and happy 9 years. So I was really not planning on buying this, but I got FOMO seeing everyone with their photo cards, and my local Target and every Target in the 10-mile radius actually ran out of the compact version. So here I am with this one, $72 worth, but price is no matter when it comes to BTS. So let's see what's inside. Oh, kind of struggling to get this off. Okay, so let's see. Wow, only BTS can get us to buy CDs again. I don't even have a CD player anymore, but here I am with this. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, I guess another contributing factor to me wanting this is the fact that it has Still With You. And honestly, that really needs to be on a streaming service because I want to listen to that on repeat with no commercials, especially on a rainy day. If you know, you know. And this is exactly why I bought this. The photo cards. Let's see who I pull. I hope it's my bias, but if not, that's okay because I love them all. Cookie, the golden maknae. Very good. Love this. All right, let's see who we have in here. Oh, it feels pretty thick. Let's see. Daddy RM. He's actually a dad though, right? Another one of those, if you know, you know type of things, but he basically is BTS's dad. He's also my bias wrecker. And V, my wannabe bias. I call him that because he's always showing up on my For You pages. He wants me to want him as my bias. But love him, but not that much. And little Meow Meow. I love him so much more after seeing him live. Love him. Almost my bias wrecker. Jimin. When I first saw BTS, I thought Jimin was gonna be my bias, but I still love him. Jimin again. Oh, I guess this is what everyone's collecting from this album. He's holding the butter poster. Oh, I almost never pull Jimin. How delightful. And Toby. Oh my gosh. So proud of him for getting his own Lollapalooza set. Just Dance is gonna be chef's kisses. Love this. Oh, and bad boy JK. He looks so different from the postcard. So wholesome there and so badass here. Oh, love him. And my bias. Worldwide handsome for a reason. Just look at him. Love him the most, obviously. Oh, looks so good. All right, let's see what else is here. Did this come off? Oh no. Oh, dang it. All right, let's see. Ooh, this feels pretty heavy. Let's flip through it. Oh, kind of looks like a collection of all their albums. Dynamite. I would say the Dynamite era is when I would really consider myself an ARMY. Very good. Oh, but Love Yourself. So good. Probably my favorite, but they're all so good. Love this. Very good. All right, let's see what this is. It's not as thick as the first one I pulled. All right, let's do a flip through of this too. My bias. He's beautiful. He knows it too. Love it. He looks so good. V creeping up on me. Wow. think you'd ever get tired of looking at them. They're so gorgeous. Wow. All right, let's see what else we have here. Oh, this one's not as thick. Seems like it's just getting thinner and thinner. Let's do a flip through of this one too. Oh, wish I could read what's saying here. Oh, OT7. Wow. My favorite. It's my bias record. Namjoon. Love it. Very good. Very good. Very good. And let's see what this is. Ooh, this one's thinner than the rest. Let's do a flip there. Stuff. Let's do a actual flip through. Struggling to hold it together. Oh no, it's back in here. Oh. Struggling so hard with this one. Lyrics. This is my favorite new song that they have. My favorite line is where they go, "You're my best friend for the rest of my life." So sweet. But I guess this is the lyric book. Doing a flip through. This makes me nostalgic of why I really wanted to buy albums back in the day. So I could have a physical copy of lyrics. Pre-internet times. Oh, this is sweet. And a poster. Alright, let's try to unravel this gracefully. How would I do this? Okay, there we go. They look so good. So proud of them. Wow. Well, thanks for watching this. And Jin thanks you too. Very good.